Okay, we're at the front of the house. Basically, this is the east side, and you can see the siding is weathered. That's the most polite word I can call it. It's coming down, and you can see the butt seams, and we're going to see some more of those. But the reason why they're looking like they are is because flashing tape had never been installed underneath them. The rain gutters discharge above grade, and we're going to learn that these rain gutters are clogged with leaves and debris. We're moving along counterclockwise. There's going to be two videos. We're missing some screens. We've got some loose screens. The doorbell does not work. Is it inoperable? Is it still inoperable? Did I lock that? That's a scooper right there for the roof deck drain. Okay, that's a good thing. Doorbell. I'm not hearing it. Alright, we're going to look at the plumbing here in a little bit. That's this electric receptacle outlet out here. We can look at that. Plumbing will be separate, but and again, it's going to be two exterior videos. This should be a in-use protective cover. If you open that up for your Christmas lights, now the water can get into it. Okay. Let's see if I can. What's going on here? It's kind of hard to get a steady foot. There's some things going on here I want to share with you. Okay. Really? We do not have electrical grounding at the front exterior, so I don't know if it's GFCI protected or not. It's not one or the other, it's both. No grounding on the front exterior receptacle. Then again, we're going to revisit this guy. In front of this one unit, we've got 3, 4, 5 water meter covers. It's unit number 3. It's going to be very difficult for me to ascertain to do a water meter test. Sometimes it's this community. We've got hanging lines right in here. Tree shouldn't be closer than 25 feet. We got some exposed rebar right here. That. And then over here, I'm going to go for the high ground. Okay, that is for the water heater, that's the temperature pressure relief valve drain line. And it's not supposed to discharge farther from the ground than 6 inches. But over here is standing water, mucky water, some marsh. What is this? This isn't drainage, something's happening here. There's a plumbing problem here. Is it a freshwater plumbing problem? Is it a wastewater plumbing problem? Or is it a drainage, a civil drainage problem? But something's happening here that's not right. This is called a clue.